everybody. This is Vasanta, Academic Coordinator and HR of Pollock Schools. I hope and wish everybody are safe at home by maintaining social distance. Being at home, we're helping ourselves and others too. It's time for all of us to bring few changes in our daily routine like washing our hands for 20 seconds frequently with a sanitizer or a soap. Consuming 5 to 7 neem leaves every day in the morning, drinking warm water with turmeric, taking steam inhalation, do simple breathing exercises like pranayama and kapalbhati. We have sent a link also through school app related to yoga to develop immunity to fight against this virus. And finally, be positive and think positive. The world is fighting against this pandemic. More than 130 countries have now closed schools nationwide, impacting nearly 80% of the students globally. We have never seen these many children out of school at the same time. It is easy to stay helpless, but we need to show our next generation whether we are a part of a problem or a part of a solution. Our management has taken an initiative to provide a platform and took it as a challenge to keep our students learning through online classes during this pandemic. We worked on it and made it success with the help of our dedicated staff and supporting parents. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all my students for being graduated to the next level. And I would like to bring to your notice that we started classes from the beginning of April and 2 weeks are completed successfully. Almost one lesson is completed in all the subjects at all levels. During these classes, our students have learned how to acquire knowledge through online classes by maintaining the discipline of the digital classroom without disturbing others. In fact, I feel that these classes are more effective than the regular classrooms. For this, I have to appreciate all my students for being survival of the fittest. The classes will be continued till the month end. We will be giving revision of the completed portion. Worksheets also will be sent through school app, and activities to make the child feel connected to the society will be sent, and even the activities related to the lessons which are completed also will be sent. Then we take a small break and the classes will be continued in the month of May also. It will be like a summer camp. The students have to enroll their names for these classes. Mostly dance and music class, language enrichment program will be there in these classes. We will come to you in a short while with the details of these classes. Stay tuned to get more details about the summer camp. Thank you.